Tell him, say, stop growling.
Stop growling. Stop growling. I'm gonna tell you. Daddy.
Yes.
Look. He's trying to bite.
He trying to bite?
Yeah.
Tell him no. Tell him stop.
No! No!
Say,
No! No!
say stop it
Stop.
right now.
What now?
Be good, Max.
Big mouse.
Good boy.
What? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hey, look at that. Hey, what's cool?
He want to get in.
So, got it. So, got it. So, got it. Whoops. Got it. So.
Tell him, Papa. See, he listen. Good boy. Give him a kiss. You gotta sit down. Give him a kiss. Kiss.
Kiss. Kiss.
Say, come here, Max.
Max, come here.
Say, come here, Max.
Come on, Max.
You better sit down before you fall.
I'm class. Oh!
Who puppy is that? And me? That's your puppy? It is. Tell him stop. Say down.
Down! 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 Mommy!
Say get out.
Get out!
Come here, Max.
Come here, Max. Go.
Good boy.
I'm down.
You gonna get out? Okay, get out. Get out. He's not gonna get you.
You not?
No, get out.
Okay.
Get out. Go ahead, get out. He's not gonna get you.
You not?
No. So you can sit down like a good boy. Get out. Say stay. Help. Help.
Yeah.
You gotta be the boss. That's your puppy, right? That's your puppy? Okay, well, be the boss. Get out the car and say, get down, Max.
Get down, Max.
Now get out the car. You gotta be hard. Get out the car.
Get out the car.
No, you get out the car.
I can't.
Why are you scared?
No!
You gotta get out the car. Get out the car. You running it. Go ahead. Get out. Get out. Go. Go. He's not gonna do nothing to you. Get out the car. He's just gonna chase you. Get out the car.
No!
Tell him again.
No.
Okay. So get out the car. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. He's not gonna get you. He's not.
No!
So what you gonna do? Are you gonna stay there or are you gonna get out the car? Are you trying to go in the house? Max, no. Be nice. Good boy.
Be good boy. Be good boy. Be good boy.
Don't just tail wagging. It's good. He just playing. Hey. My son don't understand. He's just playing. Come on. Okay, Daddy get you. Let me get you? Okay, I'm gonna come get you, okay?